that is a rectangular plot, and length ratio of the length and breadth, that is equal to 11:4. Let the length of the rectangle is equal to 11x and breadth of the rectangle, that is equal to 4x, and total cost is 75,000 rupees to fence the wall. And per meter rate rupees 100. Per meter rate, that is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangle that is a length, that is 11x, and that is breadth is equal to 4x. Okay, clear? 11x and 4x. Chalo. Perimeter of the rectangle, that is equal to total cost divided by per meter cost. Total cost is rupees 75,000. Per meter cost, that is 100, 0 cut, that is 750 मीटर. पेरीमीटर कितना हो गया हमारा 750. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 times L plus B, that is equal to 750. Length is equal to 11x plus breadth is equal to 4x. 750 divided by 2, that is equal to 15x is equal to 375. Divided by 2, the number is 375. What is x? 375 divided by 15. And 15, 1 ja 15. 15 2 ja 30. 15 5 ja 75. What is the value of x? X is equal to 25. Therefore, length is equal to 11x. 11 into 25, that is equal to 275 meter. And the breadth is equal to 4x. 4 into 25, that is equal to 100 meter. And the dimension of the plot, length is 275 meter and breadth is equal to 100 meter. Therefore, the dimension of the plot length is equal to 275 meter and breadth is equal to 100 meter. That is the final answer. Okay. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Granddaughter से कितने बड़े हैं? 10 times बड़े हैं. Who is smaller than? Granddaughter is smaller than grandfather. Yes or no? तो जो सबसे छोटा है उसके लिए हम सपोज करेंगे let the age of granddaughter, that is equal to x years. Granddaughter की एज क्या है? x years है. Therefore, what is the age of grandfather? What is the age of grandfather? 10 times. Therefore, the age of grandfather. Age of grandfather 10 times means 10 से multiply करना. 10 times 10x years. Okay? 10 से multiply करना. Times आए तो multiply करना. More than आए तो plus करना. Okay, so grandfather age is 10 times the older than his grandfather. 10 times older than his granddaughter. Granddaughter से 10 times बड़े हैं. ओके, तो एज ऑफ ग्रैंडफादर इज 10x years and he is also 54 years older than her. वो उससे कितने बड़े हैं? 54 years बड़े हैं ग्रैंडफादर। तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या होगा? इन दोनों की डिफरेंस की एज दैट इज इक्वल टू 54। Therefore the linear equation is 54 year older than her। किससे बड़े हैं 54 years? ग्रैंड फादर बड़े हैं, किससे बड़े हैं? ग्रैंड डॉटर से। तो 10x इज x, जो छोटा है उसमें 54 ऐड करना पड़ेगा। छोटा कौन है? यंगर ग्रैंड डॉटर इज यंगर देन ग्रैंड फादर। तो वो कितनी छोटी है? 54 years छोटी है। तो x plus 54 that is equal to 10x। x transposing right side to left side, 10x minus x, 9x is equal to 54। What is the value of x? 6 years। Therefore the age of granddaughter that is equal to x is equal to 6 years and the age of grandfather that is equal to 10x, 10 into 6 that is equal to 60 years। Okay, that is equal to 60 years। Okay, clear? चलो, question number 10। Aman's age is 3 times his son age। अमन की एज उसके सन की एज से 3 टाइम ज्यादा है। ओके, 3 टाइम्स हिज सन एज। 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age। 10 साल पहले वो कितना था? उससे 5 टाइम्स बड़ा था। फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एज। चलो, हु इज यंगर देन Aman's age is 3 times his son's age, let the present age of Aman's son, otherwise let the present age of Aman's son that is equal to x here। Therefore present age of Aman is 3x, then the present age of Aman that is equal to 3x years। ओके, उससे 3 टाइम बड़ा है। 10 years ago, अब 10 साल पहले की बात है। 10 years ago the Aman's son age was, कितनी होगी उसकी एज 10 साल पहले? x minus 10 years, 10 years सब्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा। and the Aman's age was, अब अमन की एज कितनी होगी? उसमें भी 3x minus 10 करना पड़ेगा। the linear equation अब क्या है? he was means Aman's age was, Aman's age कितनी है? 3x minus 10, 5 times his son age। वो सन की एज से कितना बड़ा है? 5 टाइम्स बड़ा है। तो जो छोटा है उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो। तो कौन छोटा है उसमें से? अमन सन। 5 multiply x minus 10 years, simplify this bracket, simplify this term, 3x minus 10, 5 into x 5x, 5 into 10 50, distributive law, 50 transposing left side and 3x transposing right side. So 50 minus 10 and 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, and 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. Therefore 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 2. What is the age of x? X is equal to 20. Therefore Aman's son's present age was 20 years. Therefore the present age of Aman's son x is equal to 20 years, and the present age of Aman, that is 3x, 3 into 20, that is equal to 60 years. ओके, और दोनों में से 10 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो 10 और 50 आ जाएगा. That is 5 times his present age.